My name is Marian Akosia Jibara, and I'm the CEO of Coco de Love. It's a snack processing business where I produce plantain chips and cocoyam chips for the shopping malls and My name is Marian Akosia Jibara, and I'm the CEO of Coco de Love. It's a snack processing business where I produce plantain chips and cocoyam chips for the shopping malls and individuals.
Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make it just to feed my own. I go do it.
Charlie, wonderful things day Ghana. You just have to open your eyes to see the amazing things people are doing with our raw produce, our raw materials. Hi, I'm Arba Kumsin, and this is Ghana Grows Edwuma. As you know, Ghana Grows Edwuma is part of the Ghana Grows program, an initiative of MasterCard Foundation in partnership with Springboard Roadshow Foundation. Today, we are at Coco de Love. It is a young company that's transforming plantain into this wonderful product, delectable chips. Let's go and find out more about it.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. I haven't been able to stop eating this. What do you put inside?
You will find out today.
Okay.
All right, come in.
Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make it just to feed my own. I go do it. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make it just to feed my own. I go do it. I've seen with my eyes what go happen.
Meet Marian Akosia Jibara, the visionary behind the irresistible brand Coco Crunch plantain chips and cocoyam chips.
I started as a media practitioner. I studied film and television at the Institute of Film and Television, formerly NAFTI, and that was when I got a passion for production. So I ended up with Gamma Films, and then I went to TV3, and then I stayed with them, creating content, producing amazing and wonderful productions for over 15 years. And then, whilst on the job, I decided to actually come up with a business, something that will also help me in the future, because I didn't know what was lined up or what was at stake for me in the future. And so I thought of, my own snack, or my favorite snack, which is plantain chips, which is easy to do, that I can spare time in my busy schedule to be able to start that business. Because where I lived before, I had a lot of school children around. I saw a lot of things happening, and I focused, and I knew that if I set up this business, it will work. So I started the plantain chips as a hobby, actually. On a spare time when I'm not in production, then I come in and then fry my plantain chips, and then I go and give it to my friends or sell it to my friends during the week, during break time, because after lunch I noticed that they want something to nibble on, or when they're in the studio they are unable to go for lunch sometimes. So that also struck me to be able to serve them with something tasty. So that's how the idea came about, to start a business that will be another extra income aside my regular 8 to 5 job income that I was earning. Coco de Love is actually on track to becoming the global leader in African snacks. Yes, and I believe it's because of customers' reviews. Now, when we started this, it has been customers who have pushed us to this far. And without their reviews and their positive comments, we won't be here. They love the snacks. Their comments have also helped us to transform or improve upon our products. And so when it goes out there, the comments that comes in is that your packaging is solid, you are matching boot for boot with international standards, I mean, we are compliant, we do the right thing. And so we can see, and I can say that Coco the Lab is actually making every effort to be an authentic snack maker globally. And then we believe that we are serving the right purpose as well. In the next 5 years, I see Coco the Lab expanding. I see Coco the Lab taking over the snack industry, because then we have expanded. We are actually creating more employment, and our agribusiness structure will also be stabilized. In the next 5 years, we see us in the European markets. We see ourselves spreading and getting more money for the economy, and also supporting the youth in Ghana. There's a lot of opportunity in the agro-processing sector, trust me. And if you're a youth out there and you are just there thinking that there is nothing happening, don't. I can see a lot of opportunities. It's not necessarily a big idea, okay? You can start very small. Is it fish processing? Is it snacks? Is it food? Even the plantain husk. Let me give you ideas. Plantain husk, ebrodia. All these things are in the European market. The plantain corn husk as well. It's also a business idea. You can think about it. So there's a lot of opportunities in the agribusiness. So just look at it, come out, do a lot of research, and then do something about it, so that you don't burden yourselves, you don't burden your families, but you also add on to the GDP and the economic growth of the country. So there's a big opportunity out there. And if just an idea of using plantain chips is solving problems and also helping create employment in Ghana, then I don't know what you're sitting out there doing.
At 17, my dad involved me in the family business. I noticed we had some irrigation issues, and I decided to not only help, but to innovate how to build a soil moisture center. My innovation won me a grant to scale up. Today, that innovation is growing into a thriving tech company, employing a diverse team and automating our family farm, transforming it into one of Ghana's leading pineapple suppliers, and now Ghana's premier pineapple drink producer. Next, the world.
Take advantage of agribusiness through the Ghana Grows program. Ghana Grows, Hope Day.
Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make the dough just to feed my own. I go do it. Produce it, process it, distribute it.
Well, when I started my business, I did not invest a lot. Trust me, I just invested 1,000 cedis. That was how many years ago? 10 years ago. So 1,000 cedis. And today, the profits that we are making is very good. And so you don't need much. You just have to look at what you will need, because some of the things are actually around you. You don't need much. The only investment you need is your raw materials. And then look around you for whatever you want to do. If it's a space, you can start little from your little kitchen, make sure that you are doing the right thing in terms of compliance, and then start. So you're not going to say, I want to start a business with 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. No, I started with 1,000 cedis. Maybe you might be starting with 500 cedis, and then later you'll be confessing that you are even earning more than that. So don't sit down. Look around you. The ideas are just around you, and then use your facility around you to start your business. And after that, you'll be flying. All right, so my message to you out there as an entrepreneur will be to stay focused, be passionate, and remain committed to your vision. Turning a farm product into a successful business requires hard work, dedication, and resilience. It's essential that you understand your markets and develop a solid business plan and build a strong team. Also, don't be afraid to innovate and try new things. It's often very important that you innovate ideas that set you apart from others. Most importantly, stay true to your values and prioritize sustainability and community development. By doing so, you will not only build a successful business, but you will make a positive impact on the community and the environment.
After touring all 15 regions, the 2025 Springboard Roadshow now heads to Accra for the grand finale. A national celebration of innovation, inspiration, and the unstoppable spirit of Ghana's youth. Join us on Saturday, 22nd November at the Ohene Kunedu Auditorium, UPSA Accra from 9 a.m. The Springboard Roadshow is brought to you by the Ghana Grows Program, an initiative of the Mastercard Foundation in partnership with the Springboard Roadshow Foundation and its consortium partners, with support from Absa Bank, the Multimedia Group and Graphic Communications Group. Springboard Roadshow 2025, connecting young people to agriculture, agribusiness and ATVET.
Every stage of this process, from peeling to packaging, is a lesson in how to turn a simple idea into a sustainable international business.
Yes, my mission actually for this business is to make sure that I produce quality, healthy and tasty snacks for the Ghanaian market, not only the Ghanaian market, but also attracting the diaspora and other international markets as well. Now, this business actually captures the essence of community, because right from the farm, I'm sorting out the farmers. I'm of taking their produce and then transforming it into amazing snacks. Then I come to the market women, where I guarantee them of what? Income, because their surplus produce would not go to waste. Because of this business, I'm able to also take their surplus and guarantee them of a stable income. Then I come to the factory and then I employ the youth, I employ young women, and then I give them a stable employment as well, and then income to also survive after school when they are not doing anything. So my business actually captures the essence of community, and then through this we are able to help the economy, to be able to support the economy as a whole. My message to you out there as an entrepreneur, my message to entrepreneurs is that stay focused, be passionate, and let your vision be clear. Now, to you out there who have a business or planning to set up a business, remember that you're going to solve a big problem. And that problem is what the economy needs. Somebody out there needs a solution to your problem. So what are you waiting for? Get up and don't say it's all about money. When the idea comes, just go for it and then start. When you start, trust me, people are going to come on board to support you and make sure that your vision grows. And so rise up and then make that vision come to pass.
Wow, what an impressive young company. And there's still a lot more to discover with Coco de Love in our next episode. So be sure to stay for part 2 of this episode. If you're a young budding entrepreneur,